95% of the universe is invisible. Scientists believe only 5% of the universe is made of visible matter. The rest is 27% dark matter and 68% dark energy. And we still don't know exactly what they are. Even light can't escape. Black holes are truly black. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape it. That's why it's impossible to see what's inside. Time travel is, theoretically, possible. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time moves slower at very high speeds. Astronauts who spend time in space actually return to Earth, having aged just a bit less than everyone else. They've technically traveled into the future. Space has a smell. Astronauts say their suits smell like seared steak or hot metal after a spacewalk. This is likely due to high-energy particles and dying stars. The universe might not have an end. Or maybe it does? The universe is constantly expanding. Some theories suggest it might eventually reverse, Big Crunch, or just expand forever until it fades into a cold, dark void. Heat death. 1 teaspoon of a neutron star weighs 1 billion tons. After a supernova, the remaining core becomes so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh more than Mount Everest. Galaxies are crashing into each other. Ours too. The Milky Way is on a slow collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, they'll merge. But most stars won't collide due to the vast distances between them. The stars you see might already be dead. Light from stars takes millions of years to reach us. Some of the stars we see in the night sky may have already died long ago. The coldest spot in the universe. The Boötes Void. Also known as the Great Nothing, the Boötes Void is a massive, nearly empty region in space. 330 million light-years wide, with almost no galaxies in it. Space is silent. Sound can't travel. There. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. Since space is a vacuum, it's completely silent, total stillness.